How to download and install WhatsApp app on Android phone. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the WhatsApp Messenger app on your Android phone. So if you want to start chatting, calling, and sharing with your friends on WhatsApp, just follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Either Wi-Fi or mobile data will work. Now, open the Google Play Store on your device. You'll usually see it on your home screen, but if not, just swipe up and look for the Play Store icon. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. Then hit search. You should see the official WhatsApp Messenger app at the top. It has a green icon with a white chat bubble and phone symbol. Tap on it. Next, tap the install button. The app will start downloading, and once it's finished, it will automatically install on your phone. After the installation is complete, you can open WhatsApp directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open WhatsApp for the first time, it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, then enter your phone number to verify your account. After that, you can set up your name, profile picture, and start chatting with your contacts. And that's it. That's how you download and install WhatsApp on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides and WhatsApp tips.